Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on GeForce Now. To begin, ensure you have a reliable internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or faster, for smooth cloud gaming. GeForce Now streams games directly to your device, so a strong connection is crucial. You'll also need a compatible device, such as a personal computer, Mac, Chromebook, or even a mobile phone or tablet. This setup allows you to access Roblox with enhanced performance, regardless of your device's local specifications. Next, you'll need to set up your GeForce Now account. Visit the NVIDIA website to create an account and select a membership plan that suits your gaming needs. After that, download and install the GeForce Now application onto your preferred device. Once installed, simply open the application and log in using the NVIDIA account credentials you just created. This step connects your device to NVIDIA powerful cloud gaming servers, preparing you for a seamless Roblox experience. With GeForce Now ready, it's time to launch Roblox. Open the GeForce Now application and use the search bar to find Roblox within its extensive game library. Once you locate it, click on the Roblox game tile to add it to your personal library and begin the streaming process. The game will then launch, and you'll be prompted to log in with your existing Roblox account. This allows you to access all your games and progress instantly. To ensure the best possible experience, consider optimizing your settings. Within Roblox, you can adjust graphics quality to match your internet speed, aiming for a balance between visual fidelity and smooth gameplay. For the most stable connection, a wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy playing Roblox with significantly improved graphics and performance, all streamed directly from the cloud to your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.